So, do you want to get the ROG Phone 6 but you prefer a different chipset? Well, don't worry, today we got the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate. This device is powered by the newest MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus. Now, ASUS already released a bunch of ROG phones this year. Everything else on this seems pretty similar to the ROG 6, but the ROG 6D comes in this exclusive space gray color, which we really love, by the way, because it's somewhat like a gunmetal color. While the ROG 6D Ultimate is also bundled with the new Aero Active Cooler 6. That means all accessories available for the ROG 6 will also be compatible with the ROG 6D series. If there's one thing that separates the ROG 6D Ultimate, it will be this, the Aero Active Portal. Basically, it's a flap that opens when you put the active aero cooler to give that better cooling to the device. You'll actually not notice it, but once you look closely, it's just like that jet plane that's about to take off. It's really cool actually, but theoretically this makes the cooling system more effective. Although the device still has that hefty weight compared to most of the phones out there. Also, just like the ROG 6 Pro, there is a 2-inch OLED ROG Vision. As a secondary display at the back, it's still customizable, has that unique matrix color. If you're curious about how the Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset fares against the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, here's our benchmark scores to compare the two. Either way, we're sure you get the best performance whichever variant you'd pick. The look and feel are the same, performance is comparable, and overall experience with the phone is pretty much similar with the rest of the ROG 6 series. It's actually hard to distinguish one from the other once you put on the case that came in the box. As for the suggested retail price in the Philippines, we still don't have a definitive figure, but if we were to guess, it might be in the 50,000 to 60,000 range. If you're interested more about the ROG 6D Ultimate, you can check out our early review of the ROG 6 Pro here. Now, what do you think about the ROG 6D Ultimate? Let us know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like this video, hit that bell icon so you get notified once we upload a new video. Also, follow us on our social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, IG, and TikTok. Once again, this is B-Boy, and see you on our next video.